Did you know that penguins can't fly? They're actually flightless birds. Their wings have evolved into flippers to help them swim underwater, and some species of penguins can dive up to 2,000 feet deep. That's deeper than the Empire State Building is tall. Emperor penguins, the largest species of penguin, can grow up to 4 feet tall and weigh over 90 pounds. Yet they still can't fly. Maybe if they had some tiny little wings on their backs, they could glide through the air like a baby kangaroo. Just imagine the cuteness. Penguins have special adaptations to help them conserve energy while swimming. For example, they can reduce their heart rate by half to save energy when they're not in a hurry. And they can also slow down their breathing to just a few breaths per minute. Some species of penguins can hold their breath for up to 7 minutes while diving underwater. Penguins are truly amazing creatures. They're flightless birds that can swim underwater. Some species of penguins can dive up to 2,000 feet deep, which is deeper than the Empire State Building is tall.